Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be shopping using my envelopes in this video. So I'm going to take you along as I go and get some things. I have some envelopes I want to pull from my binders so that way I can use them while I'm out and about. The first one for sure that I need, I want to go to Ulta, so I need beauty. And actually I want to go look at Old Navy and see if they have anything good there. I'm going to Costco, so I'll pull that one. I don't need family. Don't need gifts. Home. I want to pull home. Might stop by at Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Possibly. No, for household. Pantry. Okay, I'm going to pull pantry. I'm pulling all of these envelopes. And Target. Okay, that's a good stack of envelopes. Oh, you know what? Another thing I need. Okay, I have this coupon since I'm going to go to Ulta for $10 off. I have 3 things that I want to buy and then maybe get one other thing. But yeah, I have this little coupon that I want to use, so I'm going to take that. So I just ripped it. I'm going to put it in my beauty envelope here, so that way I don't forget to use it. All right, so that's it for this gray binder. I want to check... Oh yeah, this one. Okay. So I want to get a new printer. I have a little photo printer, which I love. I have the Instax one. It's really cute. It prints out photos that look like Polaroids, which I really like. But I want something that prints something a little different, so I can have different types of photos in my memory keeping. So I want to take electronics and see. Let's see how much I have here. $115, and then maybe buy a new printer. And then I think that's it from this binder. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then there's one other thing from this one that I want to use with combination with this one. So I actually don't know how much the printer that I want is, so I will need to maybe combine some envelopes. All right, so I have hobbies. I also want to buy some more printer paper for my Instax, some film. So this one has 59, so I can do that. Maybe combine these two together and use those. Oop. Okay, so I think that's it. That's a huge stack of envelopes. I'm going shopping for groceries right now, but I want to maybe hit up a couple stores while I'm out and about. I don't think I'll be using all these today, but in this video I might be using them all today. But it's a lot of stores to have to go to, and I'm getting a late start to the day. But yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'm not gonna film that part because I'm just gonna do a quick Costco run and then that's it. I'm trying to keep it pretty easy this week with my meal plans and meal preps. I just want like the easiest possible things to do for this week. It's my birthday week, so I just want to, you know, not have to bother with that. And yeah, I'm gonna put, well, I can't put this in my, I cannot put this in here because it's way too many. So I'm just gonna have to have it like in my bag with the envelopes. That's fine. They'll be fine in here. But yeah, I'm gonna go shopping, take you along with me as I shop using my envelopes. So just a quick little shopping trip for here. For this is going to come out of spending. I have $30, so that covers that. And then this is going to come out of hobbies money. So here's my hobbies. I'm going to pull 12 13, I have 59 from this envelope, and then combine it with spending to pay all in one transaction. So I didn't show the grocery shopping part of this, but I wanted to just do the haul part at least, and then go over my meal plans for this week. Because like I said, I wanted something easy, so I got quick, easy things. I still have to cook a little bit, but that's okay. The dinner or lunch, I hadn't decided which one I was going to do it for, but the the chicken stir fry noodle dish that I like to get at Costco, they didn't have it there. I went later in the day, so maybe they sold out, but I had to pivot and find something different from what I originally planned. I got these tortellinis. I've had these before. They're good. I'm gonna make like a lemon sauce, like a creamy lemon sauce. I got some lemons, some heavy whipping cream, and dill. Yes, dill to go with that. And then I'll probably just have it with a salad. I did get this salad. That looks cool. This was from Costco, a maple pecan crunch salad. So I like the sound of that one. So I think that's gonna be my dinner. And then for lunch, I picked up these like crumbles, these chicken crumbles, and they're in a sesame ginger sauce. So I'm going to, like, you can make these little cups, but I want something a little bit more like filling because I plan on eating this for lunch. So I'm gonna make some rice in the rice cooker, and then I'm going to also put some carrots. Does it come with carrots? Oh, it does have carrots. I thought it didn't. Oops. Okay, I bought more carrots. Carrots and broccoli. I got some edamame to put on it. Also, there's avocado. I'm just gonna do a bowl, basically. A bowl of stuff. I thought that sounded good. So that's gonna be my lunch. Oh, and I got cucumber. It's gonna be a good bowl, I think. And then for breakfast, again, something quick and easy. I usually do yogurt, but I don't want to do that. I just want to pop these in the air fryer before work and eat these while I'm at work. So I love these sous vide egg bites from Costco. They're amazing. I think this was 12 bucks for 5 packs. So you get 10 of the little egg bites. So nice, so convenient, and they actually taste good. As long as you put them in the air fryer or a toaster oven or something. I don't like how they taste when they're microwaved. So yeah, suggest the air fryer for those. That's gonna be my breakfast. And then I also have some bananas that are kind of going bad that I might make some banana bread and eat that for breakfast too. So yeah, that's the idea for that. Oh, also I went to Trader Joe's, stocked up on some hash browns. I always have these hash browns in my freezer and I'm running low on them. I love these so much. I've been eating them recently with some hard-boiled eggs and avocado and a little bit of cottage cheese, and it's amazing. I might mix in some of this on it, like spread this on top. Love this too, from Trader Joe's. So yeah, that's gonna be my meals for the week. And then I got some eggs from Trader Joe's too. Since I was at Costco, I got some snacks. I used some Costco money to get snacks. I like these. I had these recently at my mom's, and then I remembered I actually like these, and they were on sale. They were $4 off, so I got those. I love popcorn. This one sounded interesting. I've never had this flavor of popcorn from this company, so garlic parmesan. And then I got these. I don't know why I got these, but they sounded good. Neapolitan bunny grams, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So yeah, I got some snacks for my pantry. So that's my haul for the week. I used Costco money and grocery money to buy all of this stuff. Oh, and then I also went and got some dinner because I did not want to cook well, I'm gonna cook eventually, but I just don't want to. I'm hungry right now, basically. I feel like we all understand going or eating after grocery shopping is the best. So I'm going to eat some El Pollo Loco. This has been my new favorite to have after grocery shopping. It just hits the spot, honestly, for me at least. So I have some chicken, beans. I love this little side salad. This thing is great. I got some dressing. I love their dressing. And I got extra. The green salsa, delicious. And then some tortillas. And yeah, that's going to be my dinner. It's very tasty. I'm going to make little tacos or whatever. Just eat this. It's really, really good. So I used my eating out money. And this was about $14-ish. So about 15 bucks for this meal. This would be like about 80 bucks plus $10 off. I like these. These are super cute. This one's $12.99. Okay, so I'm at a new TJ Maxx. So it's very organized in here, which is nice. Don't see anything I like here. Oh, that one's kind of cute. Pink. They don't have a lot of stuff right now since they just opened. Cute stuff though. Okay, this is all I'm taking. This is coming out of home envelope. Okay, since it's my birthday week, I'm gonna treat myself to some Cadbury, one of my favorites. And then love caramel, so that one. And then I'll try this one. Twirl. Okay, I'm gonna use Coffee Budget to buy a new syrup. Thinking strawberry. I went to TJ Maxx. It's a brand new TJ Maxx in my area, so the store didn't have a lot of stuff, and yeah, there wasn't a lot. I like it more when the shelves are filled because you can find a lot more, but hopefully within the next few months they'll get more things. But they did have these really cute baskets. I love the scallop detail on them. I ended up spending, how much did I spend? $23. I used cash from my home envelope since this is going to be a home thing. So I have this bookcase. Sorry, I'm trying to pull back in my living room, and I want to maybe put these in here. Oh, look at my new Lego. I'm getting into Lego, which might be a problem. I also have this one too. My nephew helped me build that one, but it's really cute. So yeah, I wanted to put some stuff here. I don't know if I'm gonna put this here though. Maybe. I have plans of adjusting these shelves and putting another Lego set here that I haven't built it yet. But I was just thinking maybe one of these little scallop baskets on here and then somewhere else, but I have this larger one too I could put here. I don't know. We'll see if I end up using them over here. But they will get used because they're really, really cute. Again, I love the little scallop detail. And they were a good price point. They were only, this one was 13 bucks. I feel like on Amazon, I've seen these scalloped ones for a lot more. I wanted to buy them, but they're too expensive. But these are a good price point. This one was 8 bucks. I don't know if there was another size, like a size in here, but I only found these two. But yeah, I just bought these using my home envelope. I'm gonna go over some of the other things that I've purchased, just to do a little review of those things. All right, I'm gonna go over what I got at Ulta. So I got this serum right here. I have purchased this before. I really, really like this one, and it really helps to minimize pores. So love that one. And then this is the toner that I use. So I got that. And then also I got some Rare Beauty brow gel. So yeah, got these things. Oh, also my coupon didn't work. I don't know why it didn't work, but it wouldn't take it at the register, so I wasn't able to use the $10 coupon, but it is what it is. I still had enough money in my envelope to pay for all of this, so all good. All right, and then the last place I went that I haven't shared my little haul from is World Market. I love World Market. They've got lots of great things there, especially if you like snacks from all over the place. But I did get this these sea salt flakes. So when I went to World Market, I didn't use cash. I used my card because I bought some things that weren't going to come from an envelope. So I just wanted to pay with card, and then I already unstuffed the money from my envelopes. So I have these sea salt flakes. Got those. I think that was like $8. I got some candy. I love these Cadbury candies, especially this one. When we were in England, I got this. I got a bunch of different Cadbury candies. When we were flying out of London, I stocked up on some of these candies, and I'm already like out. I think I'm on my last bar of chocolate that I got in London. So I was able to find some, because these are actually from there, because they have like our nutrition labels printed on them. So yeah, always try to look for the ones that are actually from over there. So I got this roll bar, which I've never had this one, but I really like their chocolate. So also I love caramel, so got these little caramel nibbles. And then, like I said, this Oreo one, I love this one so much. So I'm glad I'm stocked up on that again. They're kind of expensive, obviously, because they do import them from over there. Okay, and then I'm really excited for this. Okay. Oh, and this stuff I bought because it's like my birthday. So I just didn't budget for this stuff, these little treats. This one I got using my coffee money, since I've been trying to make coffees at home. So I've been using my coffee budget to buy like syrups and sauces and different things that I need to make those coffees. So I got this strawberry syrup, so I can make a strawberry cold foam, because I love a cold foam on my coffee. So I will be testing this out with some heavy whipping cream and topping it with on my coffee. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, that came out of coffee. This came out of pantry, the salt, and then this was just because I wanted it, and it's my birthday week, so I just bought that without pulling from an envelope. That's why I use my card. But that's my World Market haul.